Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off iPhone without touching touch screen. So let's see. Just click on volume up button, then volume down button, then keep pressing power button. So volume up, volume down, and keep pressing power button. Don't do slide to power off, just wait about 5-10 seconds. And now it's all done. Just click on the power button to turn off the iPhone. And now it's all done. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.